You're welcome. In this video today, I'll be demonstrating for you how to use this mini soap cutter. It is very practical. I showed you how I use it. So just relax and see me use it. Thank you. A mini soap cutter and mini mold now available. I've listened to you. I've heard you. You've told me you wanted something small that you can start with as a new soap maker. You said you wanted something affordable that you can start with. So I've gone ahead to do this for you. And this will have two places to cut. We'll put one of the threads here with which you can cut it into long bars, and then another thread here with which you can cut it into cubes, into the smaller bars. So I've listened to all your complaints and I've put it into work, and I got this for you. So if you want this, you can just send me a WhatsApp message on 234-8029-046605. I'll get it delivered to you anywhere. It is very, very handy. Look at it. And also very, very affordable. Thank you. Okay, this is a live demonstration of how to use a mini soap cutter. So I'm bringing out the soap from the mold. I produced this soap just a day before, and less than 24 hours, I'm about cutting the soap. You need exactly 6 liters of your soap batter to fill this mold. So all you need is just to calculate, using your formulation, how you get 6 liters, because you need just 6 liters to fill up this mold. See me cut my soap, okay? We'll be cutting this beautiful soap with a beautiful mini soap cutter. Just watch, relax, and see me practicalize it. Okay, so with the first cut, I'm cutting it into long bars. We can actually customize this soap cutter to suit your size of soap. So you can give me or give us the size of your soap, and we can customize so that you can get exactly that size of soap that you want. So here I am cutting it into bars. At the end, I'm going to be getting 6 bars, 6 long bars from this mold. But I can actually adjust it and so that you can get about 8 bars instead of 6. And you won't get any off cut. You won't get this off cut at the end. This one I'm using for practice, for just to show you. So when I'm making yours, I'm going to make in such a way that you're going to get 8 bars at the end of cutting these long bars, and there will be no off cut at all. So there is no room for wastage. You're going to be cutting all your soaps into 8 straight bars. See me, I'm counting it here. I got 6 long bars. But I will adjust yours so that you can get 8 long bars from it without off cut at all. Okay, so with this second side, I'll be cutting it into smaller bars. Yes, here is so beautiful. You can see, wow, it is easy and very simple to use. You don't need to start cracking your brain. Nothing. And it's also very affordable. See, it's just 25,000 naira. 25 Nigerian naira for both this cutter and the mold. Even in this economy, yes, I have in mind. I know things are very costly. That's why I've made this, and I made it very, very affordable so that you can get it. So it's just 250 Ghanaian cedis for those of my Ghanaian fans that want to buy. And I can also deliver. I've actually delivered several to Ghana. I can deliver to you. So to order, you can just send me a WhatsApp message saying I want your mini soap cutter, and I will take up the discussion from there. I'll also leave a link in the description where you can shop directly and get it, where you can click and shop directly for this soap cutter. So just watch me. It's very, very easy to use. See, my soap's coming out very, very beautifully. Cutting my soap into smaller bars. Look at it. No stress at all. Very easy. Just easy peasy, as my son will say. Okay, this is your first time of coming across this channel. I actually create videos that teach you how to produce various home essential products for free. So it will do you good to just subscribe to my channel so that you stay updated. Just subscribe, hit that notification bell so that YouTube notifies you each time I post new videos. And also, please like this video. I beg you, please like, so that YouTube shows it to more persons that needs to see it. Okay, so we are almost done with cutting our soap. You can see how easy it is. No stress at all. I am waiting for your order. Just keep them coming. I am here to serve you. I am here to make that soap business very, very easy for you. I want you to start and I want you to succeed in it. That's why I'm making everything possible to make you start. This time around, cutter and mold will not be a problem. No, stop using knife to cut your soap. Just buy this mini cutter and mold and you're good. Okay, these are mini molds. Yeah, an almighty mini mold and cutter. Like I said, you need 6 liters of butter to fill the mold. Yeah, these are soap. So at the end of the day, with my own measurements, I got about 24 bars from the mold. But with yours, I can adjust it so I can get 8 long bars, and at the end, you'll be getting 32 bars instead of 24 without off cut. Look at the off cut I got with my measurement. But with yours, there will be no such off cut because I would have measured it exactly. You get 8 long bars and 32 smaller bars from the same mold. You can also give me your particular size and I will customize this cutter and mold to get your exact size. Look at it, it's weighing about 220 grams averagely. 214, 219, 222. You know, our fingers are not equal. So it is averagely 200 bars. So if I adjust it and make it 8 long bars, you'll be getting about 200 grams. Thank you.